Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 1, 2 and making an angle of 60 degrees with the line root 3x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. Root 3x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, here what is given data? Write the given point here. So given point. So what is given point? Given point is a is equals to 1, 2. Okay, this is a board model paper. Okay, so board model paper 2021. Okay, so for 2021 exams, okay, intermediate board is given one model paper. Okay, so this is a board model paper question. Okay, so in this given point is 1, 2 and angle he gave the angle theta is equal to 60 degrees. Angle theta is equal to 60 degrees and line. Okay, if we take a line is root 3x. Okay, he gave the angle and the line root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Is equals to 0. Okay, so what is given here actually? So if we take this, so here we have one line and one more line. Two lines are given here. Okay, so two lines are given. Okay. In between these two lines, what is the angle here? Angle is 60 degrees. Angle is 60 degrees. Okay, so for example, I am taking this angle. Okay, this line represents this line, and one more line we have. Okay, that line is passing through a of 1, 2. A point, that is 1, 2, and angle is given as 60 degrees. Angle is given as 60 degrees, and one line equation is given. Based on this data, we have to find the equation of the second line, the another line. So how to find? Let I am taking okay, so slope of the required line, slope of the required line is equals to m. Okay, so now what is the slope of this equation 1? Okay, so here we have root 3x plus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Then for this line, what is the slope? Slope m is equals to minus a by b, that is nothing but minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Okay, so if we apply that, what is x coefficient here? Minus x coefficient is root 3 and y coefficient is 1. Okay, that means we get minus root 3. Okay, so here this is the slope of the line. Now we have the formula angle between the two lines. Okay, so tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 is the formula. Okay, when we know the slopes for finding the angle between the two lines. Okay, we know the angle and one slope. We can find the other slope by using this formula. Okay, so tan theta value is 60 degrees. M1 means I am taking M1 as M only and minus. Okay, so M2. What is the second slope here? First slope I am taking as this one. Second slope I am taking this one. Okay, so now minus of minus root 3 becomes plus root 3 divided by 1 plus m1. M1 means m only and m2 is minus root 3. Okay, what is tan 60 value? Tan 60 value is root 3 is equals to m plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3m. Okay, here we have the modulus symbol. Here we have the modulus symbol. If you want to remove the modulus symbol, okay, so you can remove, by removing the modulus symbol, we get plus or minus. What we get? We get plus or minus. Okay, so by removing the modulus symbol, we get plus or minus root 3 into m plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3m. Okay, just take this to right side. Okay, so then plus or minus root 3 into plus or minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3m is equals to m plus root 3. Now multiply here. Okay, so we get plus or minus root 3. We get here plus and minus minus. We can write as usual, or minus plus into minus minus, minus into plus, minus into minus plus, minus or okay, plus root 3 into root 3 whole square into m is equals to m plus root 3. Okay, so square and root we can cancel here. Okay, this square and this root gets cancelled, and now take them. Okay, so one side. Okay, with plus with minus. Okay, so here plus root 3 minus plus root 3 minus 3m is equals to m plus root 3, and another one is minus root 3 plus 3m is equals to m plus root 3, m plus root 3. Okay, take them one side. Okay, so here we have root 3. Take that root 3 to this side, is equal minus root 3 is equals to m as it is. Minus 3m I am taking to right side. Okay, then we get plus 3m. Okay, 3m plus m is 4m. 4m is equal to 0. That means m is equal to 0 by 4. So then also m value is 0 here. Okay, now I am taking 3m as usually I kept in the left side, and taking this plus m to the left side, and the right side we have root 3 as usual, and take this minus root 3 to right side, then we get plus root 3. So that means 2m is equals to 2 root 3. Okay, we can cancel the 2 and 2 here. We can cancel the 2 and 2. So that means what is the value of m? The value of m is root 3. The value of m is root 3. We are getting m values. M is equal to 0 and m is equal to root 3. Case 1 and case 2. When we know the slope and point, we can find the equation of the line. Here already point is there. A point is given here already in the question only. A point is given. Now, okay, so for this, okay, so it may be left side or right side, upside or downside. It may take the 60 degrees. It may form the 60 degrees, or otherwise it may be like this, or it's passing through the point A. That's why it may be like this also. Okay, so here we can form the 60 degrees. Okay, passing through A point, and different slope. One slope is 0, another slope is root 3. Slope and point form. Okay, already we discussed just now. Okay, slope and point. Okay, case 1. Case 1. What is case 1? Okay, slope m is equals to slope m is equal to 0, and point, given point is equals to a is equals to 1 comma 2. Then find the equation of the line. Okay, so line equation is, okay, y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1 is the formula here, right? What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Now I am substituting here. Y minus y1 means 2 is equals to m is 0 into x minus x1 is 1. 0 into something is 0. So that means y minus 2 is equals to 0, or we can write y is equals to 2. Okay. So here we can write the answer, either the y minus 2 is equal to 0 or y is equal to 2. Any one is the answer. Okay, next case 2 I am taking here. Okay, what about the case 2? Case 2 is nothing but slope of the line. Slope m is equals to, just now we got the second slope as root 3. So now I am taking the slope as root 3, and point is same again. point is same again. So slope I am taking as root 3 and point is equals to a point that is 1 comma 2. Okay. Again we use the same formula, y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. When we use this formula, when we know a slope and point, we use this formula. Slope and point, then we use this formula. Okay, now y minus y1 means 2 is equals to m is root 3 into x minus x1 is 1. Okay, root 3 into x, root 3x minus root 3 is equals to y minus 2. Take the left side term to right side, then we get root 3x minus root 3 minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Write them in the order, x term, then y term, then okay, so 2 minus root 3 is equal to 0. This is the required solution. This is the required solution. Understood?